Keith Rucker at VintageMachinery.org. I want to put out another quick update for you guys. I had mentioned this previously in odds and ends, but some of you guys may have missed it. And just want to make sure everybody saw it. We're going to have another work weekend out here at the Vintage Machinery Shop coming up on Saturday, March 3rd. This coming weekend after this video posts. And the purpose of the day is going to be to work on our ceiling in here some more. We had one of these work days back in January, and we got almost half of the ceiling done. And I'm hoping that we can get another good little crowd of folks to come in for the day, help out, and hopefully get this thing knocked out. If not get it completely knocked out, we should be really close by the end of day 2 on this project. So game plans, again, Saturday, March 3rd, 2018. If you're watching this 5 years from now, I'm sorry, we've already done it. But March 3rd, we're going to start about 8 o'clock in the morning. We'll work through lunchtime. I'll feed everybody lunch and probably continue working on through about 5 o'clock that afternoon and try to get as much of the ceiling done as we can. It's usually a lot of fun. If we can get 6 or 7 people to come in minimum, it really goes for some quick work. We can get things done, knocked out pretty quick. It just takes several people. We have some people up on the scaffolding. We have some people on the ground. I know not everybody's comfortable getting on scaffolding. If you're not, no big deal. We can get you doing something down here on the ground, pushing scaffolding around, cutting boards, etc. But it'll be a lot of fun. I know, yeah, it's a day full of work, but we typically have a good time when we do these. And anyway, if you're in the area, I live in South Georgia, down in Tifton, Georgia. It's about 3 hours south of Atlanta, about an hour north of the Florida state line, right off of I-75. So if you live in the area and you want to come in for the day and give us a hand, that would be awesome. We'd love to have you. For you guys that live a little bit too far off, I always get the emails from folks, hey, I'd love to come, but hey, I'm on the other side of the planet. Can't really help out. Hey, I understand. And but great, we're hoping just to have a good day out here. So give me an email, send me an email if you can come. Right down here below is my email address. Don't leave it in the comments because sometimes I miss those. But if you send me that email right here, I always put my email right below my name when this pops up at the beginning of the videos. And that's really the best way to get in touch with me if you got something you ever need to actually get a response from me on, is to send me an email. I do read comments, but sometimes it may take me a while to get to all of them. The emails I can keep up with a little bit faster. So anyway, shoot me an email if you can come on Saturday, March 3rd, and we're looking forward to having a great day. Hope to see some of you guys out here. We'll try to shoot some video again and share what all was done. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you later.